Yo, yo, yo. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be checking out KillerTunes sample pack. So, if you guys don't know, KillerTunes just released a sample pack called Fresh Wine, and I want to check it out for the first time and see what's inside. So, I'm just downloading the drum kit. Let me share my screen. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this is the website. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. And yeah. Right now, the pack is $100, but it's going for $13 on sale. So let's see what's inside. And let me open it up. Let me open my FL Studio. You guys know I love KillerTunes. If you guys don't know, KillerTunes is one of my favorite producers, man. Drums. Alright. So how you guys been though? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. I'm extracting a drum kit. You're gonna see what's inside. Like 5 seconds. Okay, so it's done extracting fresh. It's called fresh wine. Yep. So there are melodies in here, drum loops, percussion, rim shots, snares, kicks, claps, hats, fills, vocals, log drum, effects, and also the Uncle Shaba teaser sample pack. Alright, so let's check out the melody. Let's check out the let's start with the melodies first. Hmm. I don't know why I felt so it doesn't play the whole sample to the end. Is it this? I have to do this? Okay. You guys know KillerTunes always has crazy, crazy, crazy melodies. Hey. KillerTunes always has this crazy bounce, man. It's fire. Alright, let's check out some percussion. Hey. It's fire, fire, fire. And this room shots are banging. It's fire, 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 fire. Shout out to KillerTunes, man. Okay, okay. Got the claps. So mind you, some of these sounds are already in this Shabbat teaser pack. I got this teaser pack not so long ago. It's free. Like I said, this Afro swing and Paris snare. So if you get this teaser pack, you can get some of the sounds if you don't want to buy the drum kit. But I mean, you guys can check it out if you want. The teaser pack is free. I think I said already. Alright, then the fills. Okay.
Uh. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if you remember this song that he made for what's his name? Lighter, beginning to fall in love.
Yeah.
It reminds me of that song.
Yeah.
That yeah, I hear in the song. Yeah, vocal chop. Okay, okay. Effects. Okay, so the teaser pack is free. All the loops that we heard already. Alright, guys, let me see if I can cook up something with this pack real quick. Just something very, very small. Let's find a loop and try and work with it. Let me go to 94 BPM. No, I meant to delete, not clone. Come on now. Delete. Okay, 94. I like this. Let's see if this is gonna sound fire. Yeah, let's try something else. This is fire, but I need. One BPM. See, I'm already getting vibes. All right, let's focus on that quick. Let's go. Okay, okay. I'll just have some shakers there. This is fire, man. KillerTunes. I don't know what that guy did. This guy is fire, man. Let's see. Do you have any shaker loops? Alright, guys. I don't want to waste too much time messing around this pack. I just wanted to show you guys what's inside. If you guys want to check it out, shout out to KillerTunes again. See you guys on the next one.